Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we installed Python and PyCharm in our system. We have created a new project named Learn Python and created a new Python file, firstprogram.py. Now we'll get started and write a first program in Python. Before that, there are two important concepts. Let it be in programming or any systems you take, it is very important. So that is input and output. So there are no systems without input and output. Now we'll learn how to give output in Python. We'll be using the print statement to give output to the user. Now we'll write a print statement. I will say print and then open the parenthesis bracket, and inside the double quotations I will give as hello students. Now I will come and run the code. We can use the run button or the shortcuts as well to run the code. I'll just click the run button now. You can see the output here as hello students. So whatever we give inside the double quotations, we get that as the output. So in the print statement, we can use either single quotations or double quotations. So there is no difference between them in Python. We have already used double quotations. Now I'll use a single quotation and then show you an example. I'll say print and then inside the single quotations, I'll say welcome to Python for beginners. I will go and run. So the output is welcome to Python for beginners. So there's no difference between whatever we have given inside the single quotations and double quotations. We can also minimize this project window. Now we are going to learn about a concept called as comments. Comments are non-executable part of the code. In Python, we'll be using the hashtag symbol to write the comments. Now I'll write a comment. I'll give hashtag symbol and then say this is a comment. So this line will not get executed. I will go and run. You can see that I'm getting the same output what I got previously. So this line is non-executable and that will not get affected in the output. So you can even write a comment after the code. It's not like that every time you need to write the comment in a new line. I'll say print hello. After this, I'll give a comment, say hashtag as print statement. Now I'll go and run the program. You can see the output. I'm getting hello on the output, but that print statement is just a comment. It will not affect the code. Next, we'll see how we can give multiple line comments in Python. So there are two ways how we can do it. So the first way is we can use the hashtag symbol in every line of the comment. Let's say we are going to give 3 lines of comment. Then at the starting of each and every line, we can give the hashtag symbol and then write the comment. So the other way is we can use the triple quotations and then give multiple line comments. I'll give triple quotes and then inside that I'll say this is multiple line comment. I have said that in 3 lines, you can see. When I execute it, we can see that this will not get affected in the output. So we'll not get anything in the output. So this is just a comment. So this is how we can write multiple line comments in Python. Now we'll see what is the main purpose of writing the comment. Let's say that you work on a project where multiple people are working on the same project. So when you start writing comments, it makes the code readable and understandable for all others quickly. So writing comments is one of the best practice which you can follow. So this is about the print statement and comments in Python.